This video will demonstrate how to properly change the various programming parameters on the Ultra 2 HP frozen beverage system. During the normal operations, the date, time and serial number toggle back and forth continuously. Using the menu-driven display on the front of the dispenser, the operator has the ability to alter or modify various parameters such as beverage consistency, set the day, night, and on-off times. To enter into the menu function index, hold down the Gourmet button for 5 seconds. Pressing No or Next will advance to the next function. Press On/Off will back up the previous screen. A 1-minute timeout will return to the home screen. This function allows the operator to adjust the ice consistency or torque of each auger when yes is pressed. 2 screens will appear for left and right. The operator can scroll through a range of minimum of 1 to a maximum of 16. Factory default is 10. Selecting Yes will allow the operator to set the date and time for display on the home screen. Select Year by pressing the minus or plus buttons. Then press Next to proceed next screen. Continue until month, day, hour, minute and seconds have been properly set. The setting of the day-night mode allows the dispenser to power down during off hours. Press the plus or minus buttons to adjust the enable this function. With the off representing 12 a.m., the operator can scroll to the times desired for the night mode to begin and end. The bottom corner's displaying ice will change to chill during the night mode. The product will be kept chilled to below 35 degrees.